Hi guys and welcome back to askNK. It is another free Friday, and what more are we looking at today if it isn't something that has to do with hard surface Kitbash model parts, right? So if you're into hard surface Kitbash, or if you're into hard surface modeling, then probably this giveaway or this free stuff is definitely for you. And how you can get this is you can go over to Gumroad, over to an artist known as Oleg Ushenok. I believe I didn't murder that name, and you will be able to get hard surface Kitbash model packs that you can use for whatever reason or whatever project or whatever thing you're working on right now. So here are some of them that you can actually take a cool look at, and maybe they can work for your project, or you can use them to create amazing piece like the piece we can see here. And you can see all of this stuff here. I know if you're using ZBrush, then this would come in really handy. If you're using things like 3D Coat as well, this is definitely going to come handy. And by the way, you can still go ahead and use this with your default 3D app. So say you're using Maya, Blender, Cinema 4D, you can use these directly inside your DCC app. So how do you get this? You need to go over to gumroad.com/Oleg Ushenok, and then you're going to find out he has about 3 different Kitbashes. The first one and the third one is for free, so you can click there and download them, while the second one costs about $10. So if you want to go ahead and pay some royalty to this dude and say thank you so much for creating this stuff, this is how you can do that. Also, if you want to get the 4th version, you can pay just $1 to get it, and I think it is worth the price for what you can find here. These Kitbashes are available as both 3D Studio Max files, FBX files, and also as OBJ. And according to the description here, it says that these hard surface packs are made using Fusion 360 and also 3D Studio Max. So that simply means that if you are a native user of 3D Studio Max, you would probably enjoy using these things, but then it still works for every other DCC app out there. I would like to know what you guys think about this. Is this something you're really into? Are you into hard surface things? Do you model in ZBrush? Do you model directly in 3D Studio Max? I still think a lot of people still model in Modo. I personally love working in either Blender or Maya when it gets to do with modeling, and maybe for sculpting, then you do that in ZBrush or Blender. I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below, and if you like this video, simply give it a like. And don't forget to share with your friends. Until I see you guys again with a tutorial, review, free Friday, updates, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.